was a lot of pressure due to those sections getting uplifted. The biggest sector got impacted, which was tourism. It's a developing nation. There are a lot of opportunities for businessmen, for a lot of other people. It's a great lifestyle to be in. Like if you are somebody who is wanting to get a best investment, want to move your family as well, get the residency or citizenship alongside you want rather secure your investment, this is a package. When COVID hit, the biggest sector got impacted, which was tourism. And there was a lot of pressure due to those sections getting uplifted, Turkey trying to join BRICS, a lot of things that are going out around the world. 100%. Yes. I am putting my words on this. Look, Turkey in the next 10 years, and this is going to be the center of the world, the center of trade around the world, the best country to be in. Very stable. I think the growth rate would be very nice. There are a lot of opportunities because it's a developing nation. So there are a lot of opportunities for businessmen, for a lot of other people. I am really hopeful. I know there are a lot of people who are very sad about what's going on in Turkey. The inflation has touched 70%. I know all of that, but you just don't listen to one side of the story, right? You just don't see one side of the story. If you're an investor, if you're a strategist, you need to understand that there are entry points and there are exit points. So when the world is not entering, that's where you enter into an investment.
Right.
Get in my point? And when the world will be entering, you gotta exit. Yes, I am really a believer. Also, on another note, I will tell you, Padma, because I come here, I think 5-6 times a year, for 2 months. I love this country. There is another reason for it, because not every person who's putting up their money is just looking for one specific thing, and that is numbers. What did I invest in? What am I getting? There are a lot of other people who think in other manners. They want to enjoy life. That's why you make money, right? They want to be happy. Exactly. And then people don't know this, but I'll tell you, Turkey is one of the most amazing countries to be in. When you see the weather here, the air here, I think the level of this is one of the most lively societies that I've witnessed in the world. People are loving to enjoy parks, forests, lakes, seas. It's a great lifestyle to be in. Like if you are somebody who is wanting to get a best investment, want to move your family as well, get the residency or citizenship alongside you want rather secure your investment and live an amazing, happy, this is a package.
Waiting for us. That's all we hope from us.
I just mentioned that it once, that is, Ottoman Empire was one of the biggest, the most successful and the most richest empire at one point. After World War I, it got drained, right? But they had been waiting for 100 years for this time to come back. So you don't see the time right now because they are coming back. They have just gotten off with the sanctions. See the time. If you're an investor, look where the cycle would be going after 3 years, after 5 years. That's how you become somebody who's looking forward what's going ahead rather than just crying and whining about what's today.